Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light or high mount stop light, whatever you want to call it, on a 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. This may apply to different models as well, and it may also apply to extending the years, plus or minus a couple of years depending. What I'm referring to is this thing right over here, the top brake light. Let me show you how it's done real easy. The only tool you might need is a flat blade screwdriver, but only if you need it. There's two ways this can come out. It depends. I can't tell you which your car has. Some of these, you take this and slide it to the left, and other ones you just pry up from the back. This one slides to the left. So I'm just going to push like that, and then lift it up, and now kind of grab it and just work it out. And here it is right there. Nice and easy. Now we can get at the bulb. For that, you're going to give it a twist, just like that. And there's the old bulb. The bulb you're just going to pull out, just like that. And now let me get the replacement to put in. Okay, this is a 921 type automotive bulb. And you can see this one is kind of blackened, silvered, like that. It actually still works. The reason I'm doing this is I'm replacing it with an LED. You can get any kind you want that's a 921 type, just like that. And that fits in exactly like the old one did. So we're going to stick that back in, just like that. And now I'm going to go step on the brake. We'll make sure it works. Okay, that's where it goes. I just took the whole thing out, and you can see how there's little ears on it. All you have to do is line up the little fixture there, which you might be able to see also has little ears on it. And once you get it, you don't want it horizontal. It has to be at a little bit of an angle. I'm going to show you what I mean for it to pop in, and then it'll snap in place. All right, now to put it back, you'll see over here the little cutout that's there. So you want to line up the tab to that cutout on the left side, and you can also see where the discoloration is from the sun, like that. So we're just going to go down in there, and now that it's seated up against the window in that, just push to the right, and it's locked in place, and that's it. Now again, if yours was not this type, then you would go in here with a screwdriver and try to pop these clips, and it would kind of just lift up. So that's all there is to it. Really, really easy. You may not even need that screwdriver. Simple like that. Like I said, it's a 921 type automotive bulb. You can get those at any auto parts store or online if you want LED ones. Once again, they might be at your auto parts store, but you got a lot more to look through online. So if this video helped you out, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Also, if you would please click on the super thanks button if I did you a solid for this. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.